Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a demo into Amazon ElastiCache. So if you guys don't know what Amazon ElastiCache is, you can go ahead and watch my previous video, and then we can dive into today's video. So as you guys can see, I am on the AWS console and we are on the Amazon ElastiCache dashboard. We're quickly gonna go ahead and click on get started, and as you guys know, there are two types of caches that you can create. One is for Redis and one is for Memcached. So we're gonna go ahead and create one for Redis. And once we open the configuration page, you can see that we have two options over here. First being serverless, again, which I would recommend is the best option to go forward with. But also if you wish to design your own cache, you can do that too. So let's quickly take a look into the configurations for serverless, and then we'll move on to design our own. Of course, our creation method is going to be create a new one. We're going to give a name. We're going to say my test Redis cache. I'm not gonna go ahead and give any description. Then you can come down and we can look into the default settings. Now of course you can customize these default settings, but again we are not gonna customize anything. You can see the engine version, your availability zones, encryption in transit is always enabled, encryption at rest is also enabled through KMS. You have security groups, your automatic backups is off, but you can change it after it is created, and you do not have any usage limit set, and of course you can add any tags that you wish to add. So these are the basic configurations for a serverless Redis cache. Now let's look, if we want to design our own cache, what are the different options we can choose from. So you have three creation methods: easy create, cluster, or restore from backup. Let's go ahead with the easy create. You have your configuration, basically which type of for which workload is this Redis cache going to be created. Is it a production workload, a dev or test environment, or are you just demoing? We can quickly go ahead and click on demo. Again, I'm not creating this, I'm just showing you guys the different configurations. Again, you can give any name you wish to provide over here. How would you like to connect? So IPv4 dual stack, that is both IPv4 and IPv6, or just IPv6. And of course you will be creating a new subnet because you do not have a subnet. This is your VPC. These are the selected availability zones that you have. You can also add some tags for the subnet group if you wish to. Again, you can view all of the default settings. It also shows you which are editable after creation. So the Redis database is deployed on port 6378, and you can view all of these things, and you can see auto failover is by default enabled for you. And again, if you want to add any tags, you can go ahead and add any tags. So that's pretty much about it related to how can you create a Redis cache, and the configurations for Memcached are pretty much the same. As you can see, you have two options, serverless or design, and the settings are pretty much the same. So I hope you guys did get a good understanding related to how can you create an ElastiCache on the AWS console. What are the different configurations that you guys can choose. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.